Magandang umaga ulit sa ating lahat. Taking off from the suspension of the first hearing 2 weeks ago, we shall be discussing the following matters today. First, a much needed point of clarification. Why were there 15 PNP personnel who were relieved of their post after the conduct of the operation? PNP Chief Marbel has stated that the cause of the relief was not for abuses, but for their failure to arrest the wanted persons. Is it the policy of the PNP that in the event of a failure to serve an arrest warrant, this failure also warrants that the personnel be relieved from the respective post? The committee likewise wishes to listen to the relieved PNP personnel themselves. Second, upon the instruction of this representation, the ground commanders were invited to the hearing so that they would be the ones to present their conduct of the operation. How do they respond to the allegations that the conduct of the operation was overkill? Third, we also wish to hear from the LGU representatives to shed light on the question of coordination between the PNP and the LGU. And fourth, we wish to hear the DOJ position on the grant of reward sourced from private individuals. The DOJ has submitted their position paper interposing no objection to the idea that a reward system is put up for informants. However, we want to further clarify the legal basis for the DILG to receive cash from private individuals for a government-conducted operation of locating a wanted person. In addition, this committee wishes to be clarified as to the status of the reward money put up by the KOGC for information as to who put up the initial 10 million. Did the DILG also accept this? Sa pagpapatuloy natin sa pagdinig na ito, isa sa layunin natin ay ang mas matinding maintindihan kung ano na nga ba ang kalagayan ngayon ng relasyon ng pulis at komunidad. Hindi lamang sa Davao City at sa Kitbog, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. More to the point, we also wish to shed light on how such community police relations could or should be improved in full observance of the rule of law, not only in the service of the arrest warrants, but also in involving, not alienating the very community that our PNP has sworn to serve and protect. Thank you. Senator Rubino Padilla, you want to... Okay. Thank you.